Hey guys, this is gonna be another. I'm just getting the rest of this ready, making sure it's all on mute and everything. Uh, but welcome to another segment of Lifting the Veil, guys. This is going to be um just another brush up of the Ariana Grande's deal. We did in the other video just before this one another short segment, 15-minute clip of just a breakdown of the Hillsong video. Real quick, we'll go to double screen. Real quick, on the Hillsong, uh, they're I mean, look them up, guys. They're full of a bunch of filth. There's symbology all over their stage during their worships. There's their pastor is openly okay with being homosexual and all that. Their choir leaders are two males and they are married. Yes, they are married. Um, Hillsong also went to New Orleans and actually ran. We can actually pull that up real quick. Um, a event for gay pride in New Orleans. The leaders of the church choir, uh, Hillsong, Gay Pride, New Orleans. Right there. And that is the event. I'm not even going to go to it. They are not, this is not a church, guys. This is the synagogue of Satan. Hillsong, New York couple. Led the guy's name, I guess. And then Gay Pride in New Orleans. Hillsong, Gay Pride. It says it right there. I mean, another thing is God sat the followers of him. Christ sat the followers of Christ on the mound and said, "Ask and you shall receive." This church, I think it was, I found out, $50 or $100. It was one of the two. Um, but they charge every single time someone walks in the building. It's like buying tickets to a freaking concert. That's all it is. They're just a bunch of entertainers. There's also, watch this. We're not going to play it, but we will play a show. Um, Hillsong, um, Naked Cowboy. Think I'm joking? Right here. Hang on a minute. We'll actually play it. No audio, guys. No audio. But I want you to notice this is Hillsong right here. This is their stage at their church. So imagine your little kids are in this crowd, and some of your kids might even be on this stage. And you go to this church, and here's the naked cowboy, grown man in his underwear on a stage at a church, and he's holding up the devil horns, doing like that. Go look up Anton LaVey and tell me that means rock on. That is a demonic witchcraft satanic symbol. What was it? Psalms. I'll have to get back to you on that specific exact address of scripture, but it literally, sorry guys, getting a phone call, is literally a witchcraft symbol. Hang on just a moment. And we're back. All right. Uh, so yeah, naked cowboy on a church stage. Um, and then let's watch some of this. But again, no audio. Alright, it's taking a weird buffering time. Hang on. And we're back with the cowboy. You just saw him throwing up the devil horns the whole time, right there. Just doing that the whole time. That is a satanic symbol, guys. Again, look up Anton LaVey. It's a little concert entertainment, everybody. By the way, we went over it before, but it says to stay separate from. And this looks a whole lot like the rest of America. Also, where was that I just saw it? I mean, you guys catch that, right? Like that whole 3D image back here is just a big triangle. Watch, it's going to show the other side too. And then all the while they're flashing uh, stars stars over here being turned upside down. Biblical. Mocking God on a stage that they say they worship God on. Let's go to another clip where they basically have a seance on stage, a ritual in front of everybody. All right, guys. First off, I want to highlight literally the fact that I typed in Hillsong satanic ritual and this popped up. This is the event that I was talking about. You can go and watch the full or the short version if you want. We're going to go to, I guess, this one here without the audio. Or no, we can actually use the audio on this. This isn't a song. This is a performance, a mock ritual. Hang on. Hang on. Let's read the fine print. Alright, we'll use a different one. I don't even like the way that that looks. You can go and watch that one if you want. We will watch a different one. Alright, again, we can actually use the audio. Actually, no, because, I mean, that's not a song, but as you can tell, I mean, he's pointing it out too, but and that's why I wanted to get an actual one, but this is literally just a mock ritual, guys. That's all that is. Matter of fact, we can use, but just no audio. Let's see. Where's this thing at? I don't care about. This is the guy right here, I think. That's his page. So great footage and ownership to him. But let's see right here. That's just a big mock ritual. I mean, look at that. Like a witch doctor. Listen to that. I want to point out That's definitely a witch doctor. For real. Alright. Right there, look at that. In the shape of the eye. Or in a circle. More with the chanting. By the way, Christ was crucified on a hill called Skull Mountain, and you just saw right there, there was a skull flashing. Skulls shouldn't be looked at as a bad thing. It's just what are they symbolic for? That's all. And there it is, that skull. By the way, I want to point out again, just like in the other Hillsong video, all this is red, symbolic for blood sacrifice. Every time in anything that you ever see this lighting lit up like that, there you go. So that's what that's symbolic for. Anyways, you get the picture. Oh, look. Actually, let's keep watching a little bit. Hang on. Yeah, that is. That is like a floor all right here underneath. Checkerboard. Freemasonry. Look. Watch. It's in a couple of different frames. And different stickers. Or different colors, I mean. Right there. You get little flickers of it, but we even actually stopped it on one. See that checkered? Yep. Anyway, you get the picture on that. And then we already went over the Ariana Grande, God is a Woman, and we wanted to point out this really quick. That this is her performance at the VMA Awards this year. And this is the Last Supper painting copied. And this is where Yeshua sat. So, is she acting as if she's trying to call herself God? Yes. God is a woman. That's the whole thing. By the way, for those of you that won't see this video, their God, the 1%, their God is woman and man. Baphomet. Alright? That's where they get all their money. They just like in the Bible, where, and we'll end it at this, the devil met Yeshua in the desert and said, "Bow down to me now, and all of this, all of the nations, all of his glory, all of his riches is yours." They, the 1%, took that deal so that they could have all of these nice things. But they mock God all day long. This is literally, the whole thing is she's playing the role of God. And if you want to go and look it up on your own, that is the Last Supper painting. I will see you next episode. Everyone be blessed, and we will see you again.